Good morning, children. Sairam. How are you all? Hope all are doing good and safe at home, right? So, before vacation, we saw chapter 1 till odd and even numbers, right? So, we'll have a quick recall of odd and even numbers, and then today we'll see the word problem. Yes, are you all ready? Shall we start today's session? So now we are going to do chapter number 1, numbers 100 to 200. We are going to revise even and odd numbers. So you all know what do you mean by even numbers? Yes, numbers which can be formed into pairs are called even numbers. What do you mean by even numbers? Numbers which can be formed into pairs are called even numbers. If you can make a pair, what do you mean by pair? Two form a pair, right? Two form a pair, one pair. So numbers which can be formed into pairs are called even numbers. So we'll see one example now. So here we have smileys. Count how many smileys are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many smileys? 8 smileys, right? So can we form a pair now? Yes, 2 forms a pair, right? So this first 2 form one pair, and next 2 one pair, and these 2 form one pair, and this 2 forms a pair. So how many pairs are there, tell me? So 1, 2, 3, 4 pairs. How many pairs are there? So we can form 4 pairs. So thus 8 is an even number. So if we can make a pair, then it is an even number, right? Let me repeat. Numbers which can be formed into pairs are called even numbers. So we are taking the number 8 and 8 smileys. Now we are going to make it as a pair. So 4 pairs are formed. So then it is an even. 8 is an even number. Next we'll move on to the odd numbers. Yes, numbers which can be formed into pairs, which cannot be formed into pairs, are called odd numbers. Which cannot be formed, which cannot be formed, okay, which cannot be formed into which cannot be formed into pairs are called odd numbers. If we cannot make a pair, then it is an odd number. Now the same smiley. Now count how many smileys are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many smileys? 7 smileys. So can we form a pair now? Yes. So first 2, one pair, and these 2, one pair, and next 2, one pair, and for the last smiley, we don't have pair, right? So it is an, if we cannot make a pair, then it is an odd number. So how many pairs are there now? We have 3 pairs and 1 is left out, right? We'll get 3 pairs and 1 will be left out. Thus 7 is an odd number. Now tell me, 7 is an odd number. So you know what is odd and even number, right children? Yes. Numbers. So when you go for bigger number, you cannot make so much of pairs, right? So what you have to do, we'll have one rule. We'll see now. Numbers ending in 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Let me repeat. Numbers ending in 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 or even numbers. If the numbers ending in 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, then it is an even number and numbers ending in 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. The number ends with 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 or odd numbers. So you know what is even and odd number, right? Shall we move on to the word problem now? Yes. Now take your notebook. Copy this question in your notebook. Shall we start? No. Before going into the word problem, what you have to do? First, you have to read the question carefully. What do you have to do? You have to read the question till you understand. Yes, you have to read the question 2 to 3 times. Then only you can understand the question. Yes, shall we start? So first I will read the question and I will explain to you later. Yes, Ashu and Mishu. So both were two friends, Ashu and Mishu, were counting cars. What they were doing? Ashu and Mishu were counting cars on their way to school. The number of cars they counted was more than 135. The number of cars they counted was more than 135 but less than 140. It was more than 135 and less than 140. The number was an odd number. The number was an odd number ending with 7. Ending with 7. How many cars did they count? How many cars did they count? So shall we see the explanation now? So Ashu and Mishu were counting the cars on their way to school. Both the friends Ashu and Mishu, they are going to school. On their way to the school, they are counting the cars. So they are going to their school. On their way to the school, what they were doing? They were counting how many cars are going. So 1, 2, 3 like that. They were counting the cars. So Ashu and Mishu were counting cars on their way to school. Understood till this? What Ashu and Mishu were doing? They were counting the cars on their way to school. Yes. The number of cars they counted was more than 135. So it was more than 135. So 135, more than 135. What is more than 135? Maybe 136, 137, 138. We have to find the answer now. Yes, it was more than 135. Yes, the number of cars they counted was more than 135. More than 135 means you have so many numbers, right? So we'll see. But less than 140. It is less than 140. It is not 140. It is less than 140. How many cars they counted? It was more than 135 and less than 140. Now we'll see how many numbers are there between 136 and 39. 136, 137, 138 and 139. Yes. So these are the between numbers between 136 and 139. So now the number was an odd number. What do you mean by odd number? It has to be ends with 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So which is the odd number? 138 is an even number. So 136 is an even number. 138 is an even number. Yes, as it ends with number 6 and 8. If it ends with 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8, it is an even number, right? So I am crossing that. Yes. So 136 is not an answer. 138 is also not. Now the number was an odd number ending with 7. Now tell me which number ends with 7. You're going to tell me the answer now. So this is the number that ends with 7, right? Now tell me what is the answer. 137. So the answer is 137 cars. How many cars they have counted? 137 cars they have counted. Yes. So Ashu and Meshu, on their way to school, they were counting the cars. How many cars they counted? 137. Yes, understood, children. This, you have to copy this in your notebook. Shall we move on to the next one? Yes. Sony had 11 toffees. Sony had 11 toffees. How many toffees does she need to make 7 pairs? How many toffees does she needs to make 7 pairs? Now Sony had 11 toffees. How many toffees? So just see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. How many toffees she is having, Sony? 11 toffees she is having. Yes. Now, so 11 toffees. Now shall we make a pair? So this 2, 1 pair. So first 2, 1 pair, and next 2, 1 pair, next 2, 1, 2, 1 pair, 3, 4, 1 pair, 5, 6, 1 pair, 7, 8, 1 pair, and 9 and 10, 1 pair, and 11 toffees. So 1 is left out, right? So how many toffees does she need to make 7 pairs? Now shall we see how many pairs she has made? So 1, 2 is 1 pair, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Already we have 5 pairs. So how many pairs we need? How many we need to make 7 pairs? So already we have 5 pairs. So how many toffees we need? Shall we draw toffees now? So I'm drawing 1 more toffees. Yes, this makes 1 more pair. So just see how many toffees I'm drawing. Yes. So again 1 more toffee to make 1 more pair. Now count how many pairs are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yay, we got 7 pairs, right? How we got 7 pairs? I have drawn 3 toffees extra, right? So Sony needs dash toffees. How many toffees she needs? How many toffees she needs? 3. She needs 3 more extra, right? So Sony had 11 toffees. How many toffees before she was having? 11 toffees. And how many toffees does she need? How many toffees she need to make 7 pairs? So how many toffees she need? 3. She needs 3 more extra to make 7 pair, right? So Sony needs 3 toffees. Sony needs 3 toffees to make 7 pairs. Shall we move on to the next one? Copy this question, children. Copy this question and answer. Clear? Yes. Next one. Prachi. Prachi has 165 stamps. You all know what is a stamp, right? So Prachi has 165 stamps. So some they will collect stamps as their hobbies, right? So Prachi has 165 stamps. Sonam has 175 stamps. Sonam has 175 stamps. Shonali has 139 stamps. Shonali has 139 39 stamps, who among the three has more stamps? Who among the three has more stamps? Who out of the three can pair forms? Prachi has 165 stamps. How many stamps Prachi is having? Yes, 165. So, three friends are there. Prachi, Sonam and Shonali. Prachi collected how many stamps? 165 stamps. Sonam collected 175 stamps. And Shonali collected 139 stamps, right? Now, we are going to see who has more among the three. Who has more stamps? You are going to tell me the answer. You are going to compare between the three and who can form a pair. Yes. Shall we now write the answer in the blank? You have to tell me. You have to fill the blanks. Yes. Prachi has dash stamps. How many stamps Prachi is having? Who will answer me now? How many stamps Prachi is having now? Yes. So, Prachi is having 165 stamps. So, write 165. Prachi has 165 stamps. So, now Sonam has, how many stamps Sonam is having? Sonam has 175 stamps. Sorry, 178 stamps. Sonam had 178 stamps. Sorry, Prachi had 165. Sonam had 178 and Shonali had 135. Yes. Now Prachi has how many stamps? 165. Write that in the blank now. 165. Now Sonam has how many stamps? 178. How many stamps Sonam is having now? 178. Now Shonali, how many stamps she is having? How much she has collected? 139 stamps. So write in the blank 139. Now you are going to compare between these three numbers and you are going to tell me who has collected more stamps. Yes. Now compare 165, 178, 139. You are going to compare between these two. How will you compare? Which is bigger? So first see the hundreds place. So all are having 1 in the hundreds place. So all are having equal. So next move on to the tens place. 6, 7, 3. Which is the bigger one? 7. So 178 is greater than. Next one 6 is bigger, right? So 165. Then 139. Now tell me who has more stamps? 178. Who is having more stamps? Sonam has more stamps, right? So she is having 178 stamps. How many stamps? 178 stamps she is having. And then how can you form who out of the three can form a pair? How can you form a pair? If the number is an even number, then you can form a pair, right? So it has to end with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Now tell me, in these three numbers, which number you can form a pair in these out of these three numbers? Yes. So this number 178 ends with 8. So Sonam can form a pairs, right? Prachi had 165 stamps. Sonam has 178 and Shonali 139. And who is having more stamps? Sonam has more stamps. Who can form a pair? Sonam can form a pair because that is an even number. 178 is an even number, right? So copy this, children. Next, Sam had even number of crayons. Sam had even number of crayons. Amanpreet had odd number of crayons. Who out of the two can form pairs? Again same thing. Sam had even number of crayons. Sam is having even number of crayons. And Amanpreet had odd number of crayons. Who out of the two can form pairs? How a pair can be formed? If it is an even number only, right? So who is having an even number of crayons? Sam is having even number of crayons, right? Amanpreet had odd number of crayons. So who can form pair now? Sam can form pairs. Who can form pair? Sam, because Sam is having even number of crayons. If we are having so you can form pairs only with an even number, right? Yes. So Sam can form pairs. Here is a worksheet for you. Nikki and Mickey got some coins from their mother. What Nikki and Mickey are doing? They got some coins from their mother to put in their coin boxes. So you all will do, right? So you'll get coins from your mother and you'll put in your boxes. Coin box, right? Savings box. Nikki got 4 more than 20. 4 more than 20. Nikki got 4 more than 20. What is 4 more than 20? So you're going to add 4 and 20. Yes. And Mickey got 1 less than 30. What is less than 30? So less than 1 less than 30. So 30 minus 1. You're going to write the answer there. How many coins do they have? So how many coins do they have? Nikki had dash coins and Mickey had dash coins. You are going to write the answer. So Nikki had 4 more than 20. So 4 plus 20. You add and write the answer. And Mickey got 1 less than 30. What is the meaning? So 30 minus 1. So you're going to subtract 30 from 1 and you're going to write the answer now. Yes. Second one. In a park, Simi counted 132 red flowers and Arahi counted 128 yellow flowers. Park, both the friends Simi and Arahi, they went to park. So Simi counted 132 red flowers. How many flowers she counted? The 132 red flowers. And Arahi counted 128 yellow flowers. Who counted more flowers? You have to tell me the answer now. Compare 132 and 128 and write the name. Dash counted more flowers, whether Simi or Arahi. So, revise well, children. See you in the next class. Thank you.